Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at Call of the Wild. I had a comment, somebody was saying that want to check out some of the new games that I'm doing, and this is actually not a new game for me. And I wanted to share my hunting lodge. Most of the stuff is okay. There's some good, cool stuff in here, though. I actually have 3 hunting lodges. One of them is all the cool animals I found. One of them is full of cool animals from Africa and South America. And then the last one is kind of I don't know what these are. Some of them are like weird animals, piebalds, stuff like that. And I just didn't know where to put them. They weren't high enough scoring to be in my main lodge. And some of these will be changing, but I wanted to share this lodge with you. Actually, all of them. So first of all, this is the wall of duck. We have mallards, and what I've got so far, I should say. I've got cinnamon teal. These are from Parque Fernanda. I've got these pair of, and I got all these before duck hunting was working. These are, what are they called? Harlequin ducks. That's what I want. We got male and female of each species here, as you can see. Last but not least, we have a new species that are in the game. These are goldeneye. These are goldeneye duck. I'm missing tufted. I'm missing the new Eurasian teal, and I'm also missing the female Eurasian widgeon. I'll be getting that pretty soon. But anyway, this is a diamond duck right there. So that's a nice one, the cinnamon teal. None of the rest of these are diamonds. I then have my diamond turkey. This guy is Gorgioso, right? Is he diamond? No, he's looking. There we go. Yeah, he's a diamond, 4.6. The birds are the easiest ones to get diamonds. Then we have a cool albino white-tailed deer being eaten by a mountain lion. Both of these are nice, I believe. Oh, it's a puma. I'm sorry. So this will be from South America, actually, but it ended up in this lodge anyway. So nice trophy there. I'm not sure why this guy came in here, but we have a feral pig. This will be from the New Zealand map. Over here we have a couple more birds. Once again, a South American bird out of place, but it's not a great bird, so I'll just put it here. This will end, or a nicer one will end up in the other lodge that we'll go see once I find it. And we also have a Canadian goose. Don't have any wild bean goose yet, or I'm sorry, Eurasian like bean goose, tundra bean goose. That's what they're called, or gray lag. I haven't got those yet, so I'll be working on getting those into this. And so we'll have to move some stuff around, obviously, as they come in. But these go on smaller mounts. So here we have a Eurasian widgeon duck. Kind of cool duck. Just a random mule deer. Nothing special. Same with the fallow deer. So moving up the stairs, we'll do the upstairs next. But this is my highest scoring moose, which is kind of disappointing. He's just under a diamond. But he's not a diamond. But he's, it's the biggest one I got. So we've got some mountain goats next to him. Maybe Iberian mouflon. I'm not sure. Hang on. These are probably just mountain goats. No, they're mouflon. Okay. Iberian mouflon. Here we have, this is called the Grand Slam. This includes every type of Iberian ibex that is in the game. So we have 4 different breeds. They are from the 4 different regions of the Iberian Peninsula map. Moving on, we have a nice red deer here. I don't have any diamond red deer, but this one's a pretty good-looking one. I think he's in the 400s. Oh, no, he's terrible. He's the old rating system, so that's an original red deer. Here we have 2 diamond mule deer. This one, I think, is the higher scoring of the 2. Let's see, 318 and 312, yep. And it just shows you, I put a regular mule deer back here. This one's just a gold. And you can see the difference in the size of the racks. This one I got on one of my maps. This one I caught on Moni's map. We were playing on the Ridge Peaks or whatever, Silver Ridge Peaks. And I walked around the corner, and this guy was standing right there, and I was like, and I saw that rack, and I'm like, that has got to be a diamond rack. And sure enough, I stole them. My only black buck, I got to work on those more. Those are on Leighton, so that's my only black buck trophy. I'm like, what the heck? How did I manage that? Early in the game, wasn't really looking. So I need some more smaller animals to kind of fill out. Here we have some cool things. There's a piebald pronghorn and another pronghorn. All the animals in this lodge, by the way, are diamond. I'm sorry, gold level at least, if not diamond. Big mountain goat. We got a brown bear. This is a diamond. This is from that. There's one of the missions that you play on the Iberian Peninsula, and it's like they call it like a phantasm or something like that. Yeah, phantasma. Moving right along, we have a room of many different animals here from different maps. We've got, I think it's either a puma or a mountain lion. Probably a mountain lion. But he's albino, so I kept him. Black bear, big scary black bear. Here we have a European buffalo and a goose in a standoff. It's called David versus Goliath, I believe. We have a fallow deer stand here. We have one spotted and 2 regular coat fallow deer. And a nice mule deer there. Another goose standoff with a piebald goose. These gooses are going to kill each other. And an American buffalo, I believe. Wait a minute. Yeah, Plains bison. That's our American buffalo. Some more high-scoring Merriman turkeys. This is my only axis deer in the collection. I don't hunt Parque Fernando much. So we need to go back there and work on these guys because that's pretty miserable looking. He's still a gold, but here we have a very, very nice red deer, 196. Once again, old scoring system. That's before. Now they're in the 4 or 500s. Grizzlies. We've got a pair of wolves, both from the, I believe these are from Iberian. Yeah, Iberian wolf. This is a Iberian wolf. Yeah, they're both from Iberia. Another turkey. I've got way too many turkeys. No more turkey trophies. I've had to tell myself, slap myself on the wrist. No more turkeys. I've got like 10 turkeys in my trophy lodge. We've got different kinds of ibex here. Two of the, these are the ones with the big horns. B-side, I think they're called. Yeah, B-side. We got a gray one and a regular one. And some more Iberian mouflon. There's another mouflon. They're from mouflon.org. Here we have a bunch of bighorn sheep from Silver Ridge Peaks. Just different. None of them, they're all gold, but none of them are diamonds. Another mountain goat. And we have, I think, my only Roosevelt elk in my collection. And then we have 2 Sika deer from, what's it called? New Zealand. The New Zealand map. And a couple more golden-eye ducks, male and female here. The females have really haunting silver eyes. The males have yellow eyes. Like Scott Farkas. He had yellow eyes, I swear to God. All right, so going upstairs. Yellow eyes. We have more Merriman turkeys. Too many turkeys. A couple elk. Rocky Mountain elk. Yeah, both of these are Rocky Mountain elk. Another mule deer. Very nice red deer here. And another mule deer on this side. My only caribou. And he's a gold, but once again, I don't hunt the Alaska map very often, so, but there's a caribou for you. We'll come around that way. Here we have a nice stand of fallow deer. I've got most of these stands made. There's still some I'm missing, but these are expensive to make, but they are cool. And they take up a lot of real estate, too, unfortunately, so you end up taking up almost the whole room with them, so bedroom. Here we have 2 black bears. No, it's a black bear and a brown bear. Is that how that? No, both black bears. One had brown fur, though, but they are playing. And we have a coyote. This one is the only probably non-gold in the map, but I wanted to have it just because it's cool. And we have a chamois. This is a chamois or chameau or chamois or however you chamois. No, that's That's the thing you clean your car with. It can't be chamois.
Oh, that's a chamois.
It's a chamois. Okay. I'm going to say chamois. That's what it looks like anyway. This is from New Zealand. Here. Oh, wait. I made a mistake. Here's another axis deer. I thought I only had one, but there's two. That's another nice axis deer. Well, maybe I don't need to go after them then. Not much in this room. We have a couple red foxes. Oh, wait. These are probably not gold either. Yeah, that's silver. That's gold. That's right. Gold female, silver male. Hard to get. I'll tell you what, it's hard to hunt those doggy-type animals. Another Sika deer. And we have a mountain goat, Iberian mouflon. So you can see the whole body. I like that. Their coloring is real pretty. Nice roe deer here. Another wild boar. Now, this could also go into the African Museum. Here we have a bunch more turkeys, including a piebald, in combat with one another. A female and two males fighting over the female. And hopefully the piebald wins, so we continue that gene line because they're kind of cool. More just random ducks. I've got a, these are mostly goldeneye here. That's a goldeneye, goldeneye male, goldeneye male, and another goldeneye male. This one's a different color, which is kind of cool. These are brown, and this one's gray. And then we got some male mallard ducks just from my hunts. This is a piebald mallard, and another cinnamon teal. Two more cinnamon teals. So you see, I do a lot of ducks, and I kind of pick the best ones. There will be more ducks in here eventually. Here we have, oh, what is this, a feral goat, I think is what they call this? Yeah, feral goat. Once again from the New Zealand map. Cool animal. And we have a stand of white-tailed deer. These are probably collected from all over the world. These look like the racks that we get on ours. I rarely see them like this around here, but we have whitetail all over Ohio. There's a Canadian goose. Might be one of the only geese I have. I think there was another one downstairs, wasn't there? Yeah. And let's see. So we got some rabbits, wabbits. And I think that does it for this lodge. So we'll go down and move on to the next lodge. This one does not have as many animals, but coming into the front door is a really unique animal. This is a diamond female gemsbok. My wife and I each have one diamond gemsbok. They're both female, so that's an interesting thing. Here we have a Cape buffalo. This is found in the African map. Both of these are found in Africa. White-tailed deer are found in South America and also, I believe, in Parque Fernanda, but I'm not sure. But definitely in the Rio Grande or the Arroyo Grande map. So we have some white-tailed deer combating it out, including one that's a piebald. It's kind of a cool setup there. Got a little warty hog named Timon, and this is his friend Not Pumbaa. This guy comes from Parque Fernanda. This is a black buck. So another South American critter. And moving right along. Once again, there aren't as many. We have some collared peccary. These are pigs that are found, miniature pigs that are, well, not really miniature, but they're smaller. Pigs that are found on the new Arroyo Grande map. Springbok aplenty. You'll see a lot of springbok in here. Unfortunately, no diamonds. Here's a nice gemsbok male, almost a diamond, very, very close to diamond. And we have a Mexican bobcat. Meow. Looks like a Eurasian lynx. Got a bunch of warthogs with different varying horn spreads, like their tusks are spread out differently. A wild boar up there at the top. Scary thing. I believe that's, I don't know, what map is that from? I don't know. They come from all over the place. Once again, we have more wild boars here. And I've got a wildebeest, a blue wildebeest that is blonde. Go figure. Up here, we have more springbok. This one on the end is the nicest of the group. Highest scoring anyway. And obviously this is cool. Got an albino female with a male. Lion, these were hard to come by. Someday I'd like to replace it with diamonds, but they're not diamonds now, and it's okay. Other deer that are found in the regions to the south, we have red deer. Lots of them. These are all hunted off South American maps. We have a Rio Grande turkey over here, just on the side. There's lots of room for more animals in this lodge. But here's the cool room. Now we have a regular blue wildebeest that's actually blue. And another blonde wildebeest. I don't know why I keep getting the blonde ones, but that was fun hunting those. I spent a day out looking for wildebeest and was able to find a herd and pick them off at night. Terrible. Here's a water buffalo. These come from Parque Fernanda, I believe. Collared peccary again from the Arroyo Grande map. And we have our just a regular Gemsbach. I also have I think he might be, there's a dark colored Gemsbach in here. I can't tell the difference though. That one looks lighter. This is my highest scoring Springbok. Just under a diamond. Oh, there he is. That's the dark colored Gemsbach right there. So the light ones look kind of like an orca. Well, I don't know. Or something. And then we also have the only one that I've ever gotten. This is a lesser kudu. And it's a pretty cool animal. I need to find more of these because they're pretty neat. And here we have another white-tailed deer display. So let's move on to that's it for this lodge. Let's move on to the next lodge, which is the final lodge, and then we'll go hunting. This is my lodge full of freaks and things I just don't know what to do with. Like sometimes I trophy way more animals than I should. Like that's a nice gold. Ooh, that's a nice gold. And then I end up with all these gold animals. And sometimes I have even in the past like done weird things like animals that are not gold. Like here we have these Eurasian lynxes are both from the Russian map. And one of them is an X and one of them is like a bronze. They're hard to find good ones. It's just hard to find them in general. So I've thrown them in here. Nothing special. But here's kind of a cool thing. We got a wild boar or feral pig that is black gold. I thought that was neat looking. Yeah, so this is going to be from New Zealand. We have a spirit-colored bear, black bear, he is from the Russian map, Medved. Piebald pronghorn. Another chamois, just an average chamois. Another pronghorn. This is a gray mouflon, I believe, or bighorn sheep, black bighorn sheep. You don't see those very often. It's not melanistic, though. Just fallow deer, somewhere to throw it. But these are the trophies over the years that I felt were worth keeping. Once again, not a diamond or gold fox. Just another bighorn sheep. Another turkey, good Lord. Piebald, again. They must happen a lot with these because we have a lot of them in the game. What do they call them? Pronghorns. Mountain lion. These are kind of cool. Got an albino Iberian mouflon and I think, is this albino? No, dilute. A dilute mule deer. And I probably will continue putting animals here, maybe even making another one as I get weird animals. This is a gray mountain goat or Iberian mouflon. That's the only one I've ever seen of those. More ibex, more mule deer. Here we go. Piebald elk. And obviously a albino, or dilute. That's albino. His eyes don't look red though, but oh yeah, I guess they are. An albino buffalo. That's a pretty neat animal. I don't think he was, yes, he's just a silver, but I kept him because he's weird. And I guess just another mule deer. I keep mule deer all the time for some reason. A moose. I got to stop keeping all these animals. Coyote. So I'm looking for things like rabbits. I'm looking for gold rabbits, gold coyotes, gold Eurasian lynx, gold pumas, diamond mountain lions, diamond lions. I'm looking for diamond ducks, diamond moose. This is a really nice moose, but he's just a gold. Once again, I don't know why I kept this buffalo, but I have him, so I'm not going to chuck him. He may end up going on, if I get a better thing to put there, he may end up going on a headrest. Just some deer. An albino mountain lion, another one. Goats. And another really nice moose. Yeah, and that's it. Let's run upstairs real quick. Got a grizzly bear, and I don't think I put much else up here, but I am. Can you see I'm already running out of space for big animals? We got a big wolf. Where's he from? The Africa? Gray wolf. This is from Alaska. Not Africa. I'm in Iberia. Got a red deer. Nice red deer, just silver. Why do I have it? I don't know. But if he's going to go if I find something better. Another American and European buffalo. Nothing special. And a piebald elk. So, oh, yeah, here we go. Here's a black goat. Oh, ibex. Yeah, so he's melanistic, so he's totally black. Gray eyes. And then two more. There's another piebald. So that's it for my lodges. Let's go hunting. But that was fun. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys because I don't think I've ever shared my lodges with you. And you can kind of see most of the cool animals I've caught over the years. There's more upstairs, but like I said, they're animals I don't know what to do with. I don't want to throw them. You can't really throw them away. So you can't get rid of trophies. How? You can't. You can't. You can't. Oh, you can delete them. Oh. Well, I got some. I wish you'd get your money back, but I know that ain't going to happen. I'm going to start deleting trophies. Hey, all right. All right, guys. Anyway, let's go ahead and we're going to go hunt on the new Finland map, Revontuli. I may go hunt with my wife because she's sitting right behind me, so if she's on and will let me on her map, maybe I'll hunt on her map. But if not, I'll hunt on my own map. Okay, guys, we'll be back. All right, so our first goal is to find, I need a female Eurasian widgeon duck because storage. What do I got? I got 2 shotguns. That'll work. And the reason why I need it is because I want to fill in that spot in our museum. Are you calling the duckies down?
Get out of my stall!
I just need one female Eurasian widgeon. I need a female Eurasian widgeon. Can I steal one from this spot since you already have it all set up?
I suppose.
Those are all tundra bean gooses. I'm going to lay down so I'm not in the way here. Oh. Well, if you're going to sit here and hunt ducks, like that's not, why bother putting the challenge on? Because you're going to get like 10 ducks in like 5 minutes. Yeah, you are. I'll be back. Let's see if I can hit this one. Wait, where did it go? Come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's out of range. There's no way. Crud buckets! I wasn't ready. All right, so I got one. I forgot to turn the record button on, but there's the point. We finally got a female silver widgeon, which isn't bad for a female duck. That's not bad. So, yeah, my wife's playing right now. All right, so we're going to taxidermy this one, and I'll add it to the lodge later. Dag nabbit. Now I'm going to go hunting for other animals. I'm going to leave her alone so she can continue her meteoric rise to fame as she hunts. So, so there's that. Let's see what we see here. The buck hasn't come back. He will. The little buck did. There's the big buck. All right, and he's weighing 60 yards. So I'm going to get this out and set it for 54 is probably the best. Buckshot. He didn't even go down all the way, but that was a nice shot. Let's see what we got. Once again, he's not going to be any award-winning deer.
So why did you shoot it?
Because I need money. I'm broke. To do all those trophies that I did, it cost a ton of money. Wow. Yeah. Well, he's not bad. He's a gold. Should I save him? No. No. Yeah, that's a nice buck. Should I save or should I no? Do 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 do. Calm down, bear. Calm down. He's not calming down. The baby's kicking your ribs.
No, it's got its foot stuck in my rib.
Okay, now he's alert. So what we need to do is we need to go into our inventory and 10 gauge brass slug. Make sure the slugs are loaded because we need a slug for that. Yeah, we're gonna take them. Wrong gun, big gun. And we'll wait for a little bit longer. No, don't run. Crap, I can't hit him when he's running.
Hey, Bells.
That is a big bear with a funny butt. Oh, wow. That's awesome, Patchwork. I didn't realize you guys have been married that long. And he left. Dang it. Crabsicles. That was going to be our big kill. I do want this bear, though. I need money. Stand up, bear.
Stand up. Pull your pants down.
Stand up. Bears don't. Never mind. Stand up.
Paddington Bear wears clothes.
Paddington Bear does wear clothes. I wouldn't shoot Paddington.
Don't tell me bears don't wear
This is getting a little scary.
Bella, stay.
I'm running. I didn't get a good shot on her. I did. I was hoping for a heart shot.
A hard shot.
A heart.
Oh.
Like, Bon Jovi. Like, shot through the heart. And y'all to blame. I already did. I said, please don't. Please stop. Don't sing that. And there's our bear. She's so big, she goes right off the. That is a big bear. Red-brown bear, 4 easy. Not worth keeping, silver. Still, big bear. Big bear. Okay, now we're going to start heading with the wind. And let's see what else we find. Here's a term, hazel grouse. I'm going to kill it on the ground. I want to see if we get points off for doing that. I just am doing it to check. I would rather, I think you're supposed to chase them up. But I want to see if there's a penalty for shooting it on the ground. So, that was brutal. I hope that wasn't buckshot that I had loaded.
Oh my god.
There's nothing left. That looks like buckshot. No, it was good. No, you did. Okay, so we didn't have to shoot this one in the air. But in most cases, they jump up anyway. But there's another silver female. Very nice. I haven't seen any male grouse. I don't know if the male grouse are the capercaillies. Thank you for the cheer. We have to start all over again. You got to slow down because I get more money if you lose, honey. I get more bits.
I don't want you to have more bits.
Why?
You've got enough bits as it is.
Ooh. What kind of bits? Never mind. That was fun. Yeah, so I don't know that there's a whole lot of the map that's like this. But this is gorgeous. So we're somewhere. And once again, we're looking at these mountains here. So you probably can't go up into the mountains. Somewhere we are in Finland. I'm not sure exactly where we're supposed to be. With the sound of Finland. Oh, music. Oh, Finland is beautiful. Finland is like Ohio, but with mountains. So nothing like Ohio. Wait, where did everybody go? I just lost like 10 of my streamers or my followers. Bye. Good night. Probably because I said I was going to bed. Everyone's like, oh, okay, bye, click. Not going to bed yet. My guy is shaking too much. I ran. I have to get my heartbeat under control. Oh, no. She's getting away. Son of a biscuit. Rock and roll. That's a might bit too far away from me. That was a cool sound it made. It was like, oh, out of nowhere. Got her. She's going down. Bonk. No, I didn't. She fluffed when I hit her. Ah, that was a really bad shot. We're going in. Squad, advance. I remember playing, so Dragon Quest. My Nintendo came with Dragon Quest, if I remember right. It did not come with Mario. But maybe I'm remembering that wrong. But I thought it was a special edition one that had Dragon Quest. And I didn't want Mario because I'd already played it. But eventually I ended up getting Mario anyway. Okay, I need to walk. I did hear. I didn't like platformers. I still don't. I liked Mario, but I didn't love Mario. Okay, so I hit her. She's gone. She must have died by now.
Did you never like Sonic either?
Nope. I like Sonic because it was unique. No, I like that. I did like Sonic because it was different. Sonic was a platformer, but it was handled differently. I like Sonic better than I liked. It depends. Some of the Marios I really enjoyed. Mario World, the Nintendo 64 one, I loved. And Mario Sunshine was frustrating but good. That's a male Western Capercaillie.
I was never a fan of Mario.
Mario. Yep. Oh, look. Bun Buns. We'll let the Bun Bun live for now. Bleed rate very low. Yes, that bird went down slowly. So I told you I hit her. I saw her floof out when I shot. But it just, I must have shot her in like the toe or something. So there's a female Capercaillie. That's cool. So we can add that to the museum. With the male. Trophy Lodge. Whatever. It really does look like the grouse, doesn't it? So taxidermy. So we've made very little money tonight. I've actually lost a little bit. Thank you, sir. And I've really, honestly, been enjoying tearing it up with the shotgun. That's what this is for bird hunting, especially this 20 gauge. What is that? An illusion. Oh, we got a grouse. Do you guys remember? Hang on, let's look at the trophy manager. I can't. No trophy manager in multiplayer. Wait, we got one.
Oh, wait, Bella.
Yeah, like Bella. That was a terrible shot. We did not hit that. What is this? Oh, run. I saw a grouse fly. There's a male.
I still want a pet skunk one day.
No, that's a female. Female. You guys are too smart. Get back here. Dang. They were a long way away when they detected me. That deer scared them off. Wow. And they just rocketed away. Little black grouse. We'll get them. Yeah, so here's the lakes I wanted to visit. I knew we'd find something. A pair of really crappy mooses. Meese. What was it that Brian Regan always said? Many much moosin'. And then that's about it. No ducks. No geese. My smell is blowing the wrong way. The moose can smell me, and now they're upset, and they're fleeing. Oh, God, he's fleeing at me. Flee the other way. Yeah, that's good. Go the other way. So, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you've enjoyed on YouTube this video. We're going to go back to the lodge now real quick and put our animals into the lodge on stream so you guys can see that, and on YouTube so you guys can also see that. And then we will see what we're missing. I'm going to have to start writing down and making a list of like the animals that I need to get for the hunting lodge, for the wall of birds or the walls of birds, because there's really multiple walls now. There's so many different species of birds. I don't know how I'm going to handle it, but anyway. Oh, there she goes. Right into the trees. I have no idea where she went. So, no, not leaving yet. Not yet. Don't leave yet. We are going to go to the, hang on a second. You should probably let me know that hours before we get to that point. Like, oh, the dishwasher's been running for 6 hours now. My dishwasher timer, something's going on with it. So we have, anyway, what is this? This is a Eurasian widgeon. So we have the female Eurasian widgeon to go along with it. There we go. I want that. Look at that. The females are really just gray, aren't they? They don't really have much coloration to them. We got a Canadian goose and a pheasant. So I need to see up top. Let's do this. What stinks is I have to remove this moose, and then I can put these up here. Let's do a male Western capercaillie on this side. I'll go. There's that. And then we're going to do a female capercaillie on the other side. She has much smaller wings. There we go. That looks really cool. And so once again on this wall, if you guys didn't see this before, we have all these different duck types. Mallards, cinnamon teals, harlequins, golden eyes, and then we have the Eurasian over here, the Eurasian. Up top we have grouse. We still need teal and tufted, so we're missing two types of ducks. And that top one, we could put the hazel grouse up there for now, but eventually she'll go somewhere else with the male. They're really small, aren't they? That's a little bird. There we go. And then we'll put the moose right back where he belongs. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted. That's what I want. So, I feel like we've done some good stuff tonight. We picked up 5 new trophies. Made a little bit of money, but that was exciting. Like I said, we learned how to hunt a new way of hunting thanks to CS, who got me shooting the birds in the air. I was a little afraid to do that because I feel like I always miss, but I didn't. And we actually killed several birds while they were flying. So that was cool. Anyway, so have a great night, guys, and I will see you next time. And hopefully you enjoyed this video and /stream, and we will see you next time. Bye.